So today we're doing the first photo shoot for Priscilla, and it's really exciting because getting to hang out with Jason, the producer, and meeting the other actors, and wearing lots of lovely colourful outfits, and yeah, it's really good fun.
I've loved this show for years, and so finally my time came where I got to play this role. It's kind of a tick on the wish list.
When I found out that I'd got this particular job, I was delighted. I think I jumped around the room, had a little dance, did a bit of a shimmy.
The main message of Priscilla is about acceptance, and that we're all the same, and that everyone's just looking for love, and I think we all need a bit of that right now. It's a musical for our time.